Thank you.
Next.
WhatsApp bado.
I want the NEC members to know that we've been working this journey to Bananzai, and our teams in the coast region have been very active. And I think this, I want Mheshimiwa Mashako to hear, is the Deputy Secretary General of the party. We have been allowing ODM over the years to dominate the coast region. We have declared we are going to take over from ODM everything.
Down with the ODM, down!
Now, this is now Mundu Kumundu. I want to tell you, because we give them a sample of Tawali, it's going to be in Kilifi, and these are going to begin this onslaught. It's going to be, did I say Kwale, Mombasa, is going to be Tana River, in Lamu. So we are sweeping. And remember, even in Garissa, where Governor Nadif, all right, Nadif was our governor the other time. And Junaid came and took him away, and we didn't want to fight because we're in the same coalition. This time, Garissa,
We are taking
Wajir, Mandela, of course, for now we are allowing Banisha because we're all going to support our DCP candidate, who, by the way, had started with us. So we really are, we mean business. We mean business. So you guys from Taita Taveta, take over.
Viva Wiper, viva! Viva! Viva Wiper, viva!
And I can tell you my own experience in Magarini. I campaigned for governor, the Senator King himself. I campaigned for him in a by-election, and he won. All right, 2007. I have campaigned, even, I think near there, my lead So this is a seat we are taking, and we know that already Uda and ODM are trying to negotiate. Hata kama wakichukua moja, tutaangusha wote. Recognizing that time is now right for Gen Zs to take the challenge. So I want to thank our young friend from Barabu constituency, which is not a Karenyo ward. Ekerenyo is Nasion, and then our friend from Ekerenyo, right? And so we wish you well. We will be coming to campaign for you. Right? So, this is the time. Thank you. This is our country. Sinamna hiyo. Ukisema Wiper, sema Komboa Kenya. Wiper.
Komboa Kenya.
Wiper.
Komboa Kenya.
Viva viva Wiper.
Viva.
Komboa Kenya.
Viva. Harambee. 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 Hapo nasema Komboa Kenya. Harambee. Komboa Kenya.
Thank you. Thank you.